Hi guys, what's up everybody? It's been a while. Hope you have been doing fine. Yeah. So, today, as you have seen up there, we are going to prepare a microwave cake. I don't know if I put that right, but we are going to prepare a cake using a mug in the microwave. This time you're not using oven, okay? So our ingredients for today, we have the home baking flour, we have the margarine, we have the baking powder, we have sugar, we have egg, which is not, I forgot to put it there, and we have vanilla essence pia iko pale na kuna maziwa pia, but all of them will be in the recipe. So I start by putting flour, that is 3 tablespoons of flour. For the ingredients, I'm sorry, I'll not give you the exact quantity that I use because here I let my ancestors guide me. But I used 3 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a quarter tablespoon of baking powder. Yeah. So as you can see, I'm mixing the dry ingredients. Yeah, I'm done mixing them. So as you can see, the margarine is in solid form, so I want to warm it a little bit to make it at least wet so that I can make it as a wet ingredient. So I'm done with the dry ingredients. That's why the bowl is aside with the dry ingredients. So I decided, oh no, that bowl is good for mixing everything. So I transferred the wet ingredients on a flat plate. Now there is the egg. I had forgotten to show you, but there it is. So I'll whisk the egg and make sure the yolk is broken completely so that I can add the other wet ingredients. So first things first, you separate the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients. Okay, yeah, you remember the margarine nishai warm, so after warming now it's in liquid form. That's what I've added in the egg. So I'll whisk all of them together, make sure zimeingiana vizuri. You getting my point? Yeah. So after that, I'm going to add milk. Yeah, milk kidogo too because I just want to do just one mug. So yangu tu peke yake. Yeah, so I've added milk kidogo. So we'll mix those ingredients pamoja. Mdogo mdogo tu, hakuna pressure. So kama uja subscribe, please hit that subscribe button. Please get me to 100 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers. Please. So if you find a friend's phone, just take and subscribe. I'ma tell them about me, okay? Yeah, so I'm showing you, mix all milk, egg, and the margarine. So after that, I'm going to add the vanilla essence. Yeah, we need the vanilla flavor. So actually the topic shall be vanilla mug cake. Yeah, vanilla essence from Clovers. It's pocket friendly, Clovers. With the economy right now, tunaendanga kubuy pocket friendly things. We don't buy the expensive. These days I don't think people buy brands, but either way, Clovers works for me. So nimeweka, usione kama nimeweka mingi, nimeweka tu kidogo. Yeah, so tuchanganye pia hiyo. So the zote ingredients dry and wet, zote sasa they are ready. So now we are going to mix them together. So there I'm adding the dry to the wet ingredients. Tuchanganye pole pole tu. Hakuna pressure. So this is a good recipe if you're single. Hey, itakuokolea. Ukiamka tu asubuhi haraka you just prepare because it's just few minutes and you're done. You have your breakfast, something to take with your tea. Yeah, so nazichanganya. Hapa inanga pressure, you have to mix kabisa. Nachanganya tu mdogo mdogo. Then when I'm done, yeah, you'll see. I'll put in the mug. You see? Iko tu kama ile ya keki yenye una baking kwa oven. The texture is same. Yani, it's not different. Ni vile now we are using a mug. Okay? Get my point? So tuchukue mug yetu. One secret. Ukiweka pale kwa mug, usiweke mpaka karibu juu. No. Because remember it has baking powder, so itafura. So unawekanga pale quarter isifike half. Actually it should be almost half but not half, isifike half. Okay, ndio at least hata rise there's some space for it. Ukiweka more than half it will overflow, so ikiwa pale kwa microwave utapata in overflow, yani inatoka nje, na itakaa picha mzuri. Yeah, so me I love my peanut butter. I always put peanut butter hapo katikati because saa zile imemelt ukule na hiyo keki, my friends. Wainadonyo, wacha tu. Yeah, so nimeweka peanut butter. So sasa it's ready. Yeah, it's ready. Sasa tuweke kwa microwave yetu. Oh my God. This cake was yummy, wacha tu. So microwaves ni different. Yangu naeka medium high na 2 minutes. 2 minutes. So it depends with your microwave. Kuna zingine, I don't know, but microwaves are different, but you do that for 2 minutes na si na moto mingi, with just medium heat. You get my point? Yeah! Our cake is ready. Look at it. Look at it. Unaona ija overflow? Unaona ikai vibaya? It's good for presentation, right? Yeah, look at that. Our vanilla mug microwave cake is ready. Ona. Hata I stick yani. What an easy recipe. What an easy recipe. Ish. Yeah, so nitaitoa sasa kwa kikombe, tuweke kwa sahani, kwa sababu ukitaka unaweza kulia kwa kikombe kwa raha zako jameni, lakini mimi ninaamua niweke kwa sahani, lakini ni juu nataka niwaonyeshe jinsi hiyo pia peanut butter, cheki tu. Yeah, wacha lazima niona. Look at how spongy it is. Oh my God. You remember the peanut butter? Nilikuwa nimeweka juu, sasa imeteremka hadi chini. Guys, oh my God. Oh, I know you cannot wait to try this recipe. You should. So kama imekubamba sana, please give this video a thumbs up tafadhali, because I know nimeokolea mtu mahali. You single people nimewaokolea, okay? Ona tu. Look at that. So acheni nikasherekee keki yangu, but first let me show you in all the. Ona tu, nazungusha tu kislomo, check it too, and our cake is ready. So guys, if you've not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and join my family. Share with your friends and family also, please. And that's it for our cake recipe. Try it at home. In the comment section niambie kama imetoka sawa.